welcome. Today we're going to be learning Mission Impossible theme. The Mission Impossible Fallout is coming out. I'm a fan of the franchise and I'm a fan of the soundtrack. So I thought I will arrange it for you for two violins. So let's get to it. As always, we'll have fingerings right there. So the bass line is more or less repetitive. Let's just go to the violin one part, and you go third position right here, and then you want to go trill from D to E flat right there. Make sure they're squeezed, so you go like this. Stretch it out. I'll just do this a lot. Okay, so the count is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got it? One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or you can just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got it? And the bottom part, the same thing. We just do it on here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. So 0, 3, low 2, 0. Moving on. Let's just look at the bass line first. As you can see, there's like a 1 and 2 in a parenthesis in a red. That means that's gonna repeat where it says 1, 2 on the next line. Why did I do that? Because I didn't feel like writing it all. It takes a while. It's all handwritten. So please forgive. Okay, so it goes like this. Okay, so it goes 0, 0, low 2, 3, and then 0, 0, and then on the D string, low 2 to regular 2. One more time. Notice I'm bouncing the bow off the string. Why? Because it rings out more. If I don't bounce it, it's kind of boring. So make sure you go off the string. And then you do that for jillions of years until the, where is it? 1, 2, 3, 4th stanza. Let me go there. And then slightly things change to 0, 0, low 2, 2. Did you get that? 0, 0, low 2, regular 2. And then we go into 3 and the 4, parentheses. It goes 3, 3, and then D string, low 1, low 2. And then 3, 3, low 2, regular 2. And you repeat that. Okay, and then you go back to 1 and 2 combination. Got it? Okay, so let me play from the 4th stanza. Let me go there. Back to 1 and 2. Yeah, got it. And then the last 2 lines on the first page. It's easy. 0, 0, low 1, low 2. Make sure they're off the string. There might be a little variation at the end there. So take a look at the end there. So it's pretty much a repeat of the whole thing. At the end, the last stanza. So you go 1. And then you go 0, 0, low 1, low 2. And then you go high 3 on the G string. Got it? So last 3 measures. One more time. Got it? That's the entire song. So for the second violin, you just have to count and you just have to play it very consistently and don't rush. Okay? Alrighty, let's go to the first violin part, shall we? So you don't do anything until 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second line, third measure, second stanza. So second stanza, third measure, you go da-la. So you go low 4, low 2, 3. And then the first two notes same, but you're gonna go low 3. Low 3 is this, okay? This is regular 3, low 3. So you go, and then pretty much go neighbor. So third one, and then low 1 to low 2. Got it? One more time. Okay, and then you have to go to third position. Don't ask me why, because it's okay, ask me why. Why, teacher Tay? Because you don't want to do this. You're skipping one string. Yeah, that's kind of like no rule in violin. So you want to go to third position, and it gives you practice time on third position. So you want to do that. So 1 here, 3 here on the D string. So you got low 3 kind of, and then ba da ba. They're not the same spot. The kind of, this is higher than the first note. Okay, and the next one, now they're neighbor, yeah, and then last one, and then low 2. One more time. Got it? And then you go bum, bum, bum. It's very similar to, but you just start from the A string. One more time, really slow. Got it? And then you do the third position thing one more time. Neighbor, not 2, and then low 2, 1. So last 2 measure on the first page. So you just did, and then 1, low 2, 3, 1, 1, low 2, 3. Okay. Going to the little variation here. So that's still in third position, so don't go anywhere. So you just did this. You're just gonna keep the 1 there. So you go 1, and then 2 right below the 3, and then low 2, 1, 3, 2. As you can see, you repeat that twice, yeah? And then here comes a really hard part. Well, I'll give you a choice. You can do it like this. Or you can just do it like this. Okay, let's just go over the easy way first. It's low 2. You shift here, yeah, 2 on the between the third and the fourth tape, 3 right above the fourth tape. One more time. Back to low 2, low 1, regular 1. Repeat. Got it? Okay, if you want to do the fancy way, you just do low 1 and the low 2 here, and then you brush them together. And then you go here. Thank God you don't have to change the finger shape. and then you go here. Sounds weird, I know. You have to do it fast. One more time. Oh no. So going from here, it's really small increment. You go. So it's half step. Got it? You practice that. It's written there. Next page. So it's pretty much beginning over and over again. Only thing that's different from the first page to second page is the last three measure. So let's just go over the last line. Low 2, 1, low 2, and then you go to first position, and then you fade out. Okay, in speed, last line. A little slower now. Let's do that again with this angle. It's really hard to vibrate this way. All right. Okay, so that's how you play it. So grab a buddy and have a little jam session. The performance of this piece is gonna be uploaded in my performance channel. So take a look at that. I don't really have anything to say about that. Just practice and you'll get it. Alright, until next time, thank you for watching. I hope you'll have fun with this piece. Go see Mission Impossible Fallout. Say hello to Tom Cruise if you see him. Until next time, please like and subscribe. Bye.